Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and enabling low-level access. Back up a full Nandroid or system image, verify checksums, and copy it off device. Next, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging and OEM unlock. On your PC, install a Debian fastboot, confirm the device is recognized with a DB devices, and reboot to bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader. Once in bootloader, make sure the unlock command is allowed before proceeding. This prevents soft bricking later. You now work on the vendor partition where the GPU HAL and blobs live. Use fastboot to dump vendor. Img, then extract and locate libgpu, HW composer, and vendor specific. So files. If switching vendors, you either patch the HAL to expose the desired vendor ID or replace blobs with compatible builds. Make sure ABI, API level, and dependencies match. After edits, repack and sign vendor. Img using appropriate keys or test on an alternate slot. Once repacked, flash it to the vendor slot. Finish by rebooting into system and monitoring boot with logcat and dmesc to confirm the GPU driver loaded and vendor ID changed. Validate graphics using a test app or GL mark. If you see crashes or black screen, do not panic. Boot to recovery or bootloader and flash the backed up vendor. Img to restore factory behavior. If flashing fails, use sideload or alternate slot flashing. One key tip: always keep a verified backup. It lets you revert quickly and avoids permanent device loss if the new blobs are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.